Hi guys, this is another YouTube video and me and my brother are doing Slime Goop. And I think this is like the whole, where you put it in like the cup. Hi guys, so we got this thing and now here, do it with this spoon, it's fine. It's going to get a little sticky, but Will's is like, look how like, it's like so, you know. I can't believe I poured glue myself my first time, right, Daddy?
Yes, but you have to stir.
It's really cool. Oh, God.
All right, here's these three. Paint.
Pink. Okay, you do the blue, I'll do the blue. Pink and purple.
Thank you for the blue. I love blue. It's my favorite color. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
And it's your favorite color, too. Whoa.
How do we get...
Pour it in each one color in each.
Okay. Okay, wait. I'll do my purple first and then you do your blue. And oh gosh, there's so much. How do we get this? Let's try blue, because blue was really filled, but let's see what pink looks like. Let's see what you got. Okay. Tip it over. I'll hold the cup for you. Nothing. Now I'll do my pink.
Right. It's so filled up to the top, YouTube. It's so filled up to the top.
This is like, it is paint, but it's like so cool. It's like unicorn paint. Because it is unicorn paint. It's like it, but it is. Like, you know, it's silly and funny.
What kind of paint is this? It smells weird.
It smells weird, but it looks cool.
Pour it. I'll help you.
You said goopy, right? Goop. 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 Now that purple one, we gotta fix that purple one. Let me see that purple. Oh my
Right.
god. This thing is so sticky. It's like getting sticky.
Look.
Oh, so sticky.
Start stirring.
Okay. I'll just...
Sorry, I need my own spoon.
No, it's like the popsicle stick, like Daddy.
Leah, you get it on together.
Did you have a
Whoa.
popsicle stick, Daddy?
Yes.
This is so cool. This like, the spoon is getting slimy here. I want to stir this
Here.
one. Oh. I'll stir the purple. Whoa! I didn't know the purple would work so good in the pink.
And look at mine.
Leah, get the other side of the cup.
This guy.
Isn't that tall one? Thank you, Dada.
All right, now Leah. Your other liquid, use a spoon,
Okay. The big spoon?
the plastic spoon.
Okay. Yeah.
Just
It's
do
so sticky.
in each color. Okay.
Yeah.
So soupy.
Two spoonfuls each color.
This is, I don't know. Okay. I think I got this.
Oh,
Okay.
I thought I was going to do mine.
This is just to make it happen. Put it in quick. And then stir that one with the wooden spoon. Okay.
Whoa! Look at this. It's turning into slime.
Oh, put glitter in.
Oh yeah, we forgot. Glitter. I want a little bit in each one. Here, let me.
It might be too late for the purple.
Oh god. Oh, this is sticking. Oh no.
So you gotta keep stirring.
This. Oh. I want my hands to go in it soon.
Daddy, but mine.
Do you want glitter?
Yeah.
But she didn't put the stuff in yet.
I want glitter in.
Daddy, it looks so cool with the glitter in it.
No way. It's turning into slime.
Keep stirring.
Bye, Daddy.
Okay, can I do the next pink?
You gotta keep stirring that.
This is so good.
I'm gonna start the pink one. Okay?
Okay. Can I get my hands in now?
Keep stirring.
Okay. The table's messy, but this is fun. Oh, it's so wet. I don't think there should be this much water left.
Daddy,
Now that pink one, really good.
I'm losing all the sprinkles.
It's alright, keep stirring it, buddy.
Oh, the sprinkles.
Hey, don't stop stirring. Don't stop.
Oh, my arm.
Okay? Keep stirring.
Oh, guys.
Stir good.
Look at this.
It's super damn slimy.
Stir.
Oh, gosh. Guys, this is so cool. Where's the packet of, where's that packet of, where's the packet of, the thing? Oh, let me feel that. Oh, so jiggly. So cool, guys. Look, we made our own slime.
I want lots of sprinkles in it.
It is in it. You already did it.
Will, this is amazing.
Oh, look at that. Look at this.
You should feel this. This is
my
like really wet, but
Hold on.
it's hard to make, but it's worth it.
Ready, Will? Look.
Oh gosh, I'm doing this guy now. Oh, gosh, I'm just going in. I'm getting my hands wet.
Oh, bye.
Oh gosh, this is so sticky.
I think you need more. Put it back in the cup for a second.
Yeah, I think we need more like water.
This is so cool.
Oh, water gets everywhere. The pink is the cool. Like if we put if we found other things, that would be cool.
Look.
Oh no, it's turning into purple. Ew! I know that thing. It's turning into purple, Daddy.
Oh, it's sticky slime.
Daddy,
Why is it sticky?
Get it off. It's turning into purple. No, it's turning into purple.
Why is it sticky?
It's supposed to be, Daddy. It's slime.
No, but it's sticky.
You don't get the thing of slime, don't you? Slime is like,
No, that's really
sticky.
sticking to me.
yeah, I know, but this slime is cool. It has to be sticky. Like, I wanted it to be sticky, and here it is. It is.
You should see the
Look at that. It's like purple and pink. Look. Look, there's plastic
Whoa.
in it. Look, it's purple and pink together. Look at Will's. It's perfect. Will's came out perfect. Look at that.
How do you do
I
that?
don't know. Let me see. With this hand. Oh, it's perfect. It's not even sticky. Wow.
I like stickiness. The table's so wet. Look at this.
Why is your table so wet over there?
Because I've been playing with it. Do
Yeah,
you
Will's
know?
isn't wet.
Oh,
Yours is wet.
look at this. Jiggly.
Jiggly down.
It's a ghost! Here, let me see yours.
Where are you?
How long will it take?
Oh.
Look out. Let it fall. Let it fall. Here it comes.
Jiggly,
Look.
jiggly.
Let it fall. Let
Let's
it fall.
test it. Oh.
It's still going. It's still stretching. It's still stretching. Let it go. All the way to the table. There it goes. Oh, it broke.
You're trying to get it off of you, huh? You think you can get it off.
Yours is perfect, Will. Look at
Oh, no. Oh, gosh. I'm mixing it. I'm putting...
that.
Well,
Oh, careful.
I want this to
so
be
cool,
pink.
Daddy.
That might make it too hard to put more of that solution in there.
Oh, this is purple.
Yours is perfect, Will.
I can't believe you did that. But mine, I wanted this to
hands.
be it.
Look at my hands. Ugh.
Look at my hands. They're so jiggly.
Look what I have all over me.
That's what you do. Ew! No, my shirt is brand new.
Don't
Oh,
put on me.
wait. Let's do a little comparison. A little bit of slime
Do not put on me, Daddy.
thing.
Do not.
Okay, let's do a comparison. Okay, all this
Daddy, where are you
in
going?
comparison. Now,
Okay.
oh, let's see. This slime is so cool. Whoa, look at this, guys. It's so cool. I can't believe we did this. It's so jiggly. jiggly slime. Oh, jiggly slime. Jiggly slime is the best. Jiggly slime. Jiggly slime is the best. Oh. Daddy. Oh wait, we forgot the mold. The mold. Here, I have a mold. Let's test this out. Just take a little bit. I think kinetic sand and Play-Doh will mold, but let's see what this does. Put it down. Take all the XX.
This is so cool.
XS or whatever
This
it's
is
called.
so cool, guys.
And get out. Get out.
Get
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Well, it kind of molded up, but it's really cool without
It's like
Look,
awesome.
it's mixing. It's like really turning into purple, but I can say that purple worked.
And mine really worked. Mine really worked.
You want to do a whole comparison? I compare. And the best part about this is when you put it away. I'm gonna make this mold
Oh yeah, watch this.
it's gonna be so cool.
I can't do it.
I'm gonna make this mold so. Oh, guys, look at this! I made the mold. Whoa! And the best part, jiggly slime, jiggly, so jiggly.
Ready?
Whoa! Oh, look at that!
Oh, it bounces.
This bounces! It bounces! Now I'm going to mold this. It's gonna be so cool. Ah!
Did you hear that? Did you hear mine?
Okay, I need a little bit. Okay, I think I'm ready to mold this guy.
Yeah, you want? Hear this.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Watch this,
Look at
YouTube.
Whoa!
Hey, watch this, YouTube.
It's so jiggly!
Watch this, YouTube.
Oh my gosh! That's a rock. Let's see. You mold yours, I'll mold mine. Let's see. And Daddy's, you're the judge. You see whoever wins the slime challenge.
Look at the colors in there. It's like swirly. Watch this. I'm gonna make a ball. Let me see if I can.
Oh, let's make a ball.
There we go. Oh, if you can.
Oh, this is like the perfect. Let's see, can you? No, this stuff doesn't do the roll.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Now that it bounces a little. I have these squishies that bounce.
Hold on. Let me see that purple.
Wait, look at this swirl.
Let me see that purple.
Oh yeah, we can put a mini train.
Let me see.
There.
Let me see what happens if we put him in.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
He's in there. Uh-oh, where is he?
Oh no, Daddy. What did you do? Oh, how did you do that? That's cool. You're the judge, okay? Whoever makes the best mold or best thing ever wins. You're the judge, so wish me luck. You say action when we're ready.
Action.
So, Dad's the judge, and we're going to build our thing. Let's
look
build
at
our
mine,
thing.
Daddy. It's a fish.
Cool. Okay, let's build our thing. I'm starting with the block. So I just mold my block. Yeah, put it down. Let's mold this. With my hand. Okay.
Dad, I'm doing your trick.
1, 2, 3.
Just some wrap it in my
Now, let's make it a little bigger. Just put this in. Oh no. Now, we gotta mold this thing. Oh no, this is way too much. Okay.
Like that. Then this. Put that on top. Like this. On there.
Okay, so now, all I have to do is get this out This is hard.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh yes. This is the greatest
Use
day.
your purple, it's bigger.
Okay, who won, Daddy?
I like the block one.
Oh, cool. Actually, wait. Let's build the biggest thing of slime. Okay, so I don't know. Do we have anything that we can use, like? A cup. Yes. So now all we have to do is make a little hole in this. Well, it did make a hole like this, but it didn't make a hole as I was planning. So.
Hey, Daddy, let's see this right here. I sticked it in and take it out. Have a slime left.
This is good.
Okay, let's see. Let's pop this out.
I don't make a lot of them.
How do you do this? This is hard.
Okay, look at
I'll just play with this
Leah.
slime.
Hey,
So,
Leah.
whoa, that's so cool.
I'm just
Oh,
gonna build
this
track.
is so cool. Oh no, the powder stuff. Yeah, it's fine. Sprinkle a little.
Hi, Daddy.
What?
What I did.
Oh no.
Give you a chunk of your purple.
No, that's all. Daddy, that has. You're gonna break that thing. Okay? You know why? I think you're gonna break that because it's only for marshmallows. Oh no. Oh geez. Okay, only try one, please.
Here we go. Ready?
Aiming at the table. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. That worked!
A little
That
bit.
worked, guys! You do, I'll shoot. Okay? Oh wait, you need that. No, that's not good.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see what you can.
No,
Let's
this.
see what you got, Will. I didn't know this was gonna work, but it's actually a cool idea.
Fast.
Oh my God, we got it in a bin for a toy. Jeez. Yeah, let me see this.
That's so cool.
How do you get this out? Oh, okay. That came out fast. Wait.
That way. Look towards the box. Oh!
Where did that go? Where did that go? Over there. Oh no, that was a bad idea.
I got your finger. Oh!
Oh gosh, you landed it. It's really cool. Oh guys, look at this. It's so jiggly. It's like a jiggly slime gel. It's like you can play a prank on someone. But like, don't make sure they don't eat it. You know.
Go, go.
So we had a lot of fun, and it's called Slime Goop. So if you want to order it, it's Slime Goop, and it's like it has a unicorn on. They might have like.
Yeah, watch this, YouTube.
But this is the end of this video. Right, Will? This is the end of this video. We'll show you one more thing that my brother wants, and then this is the end of this video. Ready, Will? See what you got. Oh! That was the one